Hey guys, it's me, Jake, and I'm in another video. And today I am back, and we are in another video. We posted like 8 today, but that's because I'm making up for all those blanks. Can I get a blank in the chat? Let's go into a game. So, as you see, little spatter, it is not Cloudy. It's Cloudy's younger brother, and the brother has no account either. So she's on, it's a he actually, he's on Bridget's account. Oh, what happens if Bridget finds out? I don't know, I just gave the password. But anyways, let's hop in right to a video. Let's go, but I need to set a timer. Okay, I am Oh, we're doing an obby. I totally knew this. Oh, guys, look! It's a ninja obby. As you guys don't know, Cloudy's brother is actually sort of a ninja, cause she's like, yeah, he can't talk either. He can only talk in the chat. He says, "Hi, people. I'm Ninja Pig." He's Ninja Pig. So let's do the ninja obby. He is a ninja, so he loves ninja stuff. He actually has ninja headband on and a sword on his back. So this video gets to 50 likes. I will do a face reveal on Ninja Pig. I will do a face reveal on Ninja Pig. I'll wait for Ninja Pig. Good job using those ninja skills. Ninja Pig wants me. She's going to chat. Same with my sis. Yeah, if this last video gets 50 likes, his sis will get. She should just have to say he. I keep saying she because Cloudy. He had to say something to me. If you're wondering, like, he can't talk, but he can talk to you. No, how he's doing it is she's not doing this. But she's not actually saying this. She's saying stuff, but she's typing me like that, but then erasing it so you guys can see. And what she said was to always show the chat. Alright, come on, Ninja Pig. Today I'm a ninja with oof. Oh, I thought you could jump on that. Human. I am so confused. Oof, nachos. Wait, do those kill you? I'm not going to even take the risk. Ladies and gents. It's cold. She said, me, nachos. He's weird. Cheeseburgers. Hey guys, cheeseburgers. Oh, I'm gonna wait for Ninja Pig. Hold up. Ninja Pig fell. Okay, I put her back up. Hit or miss, comment below. So Ninja Pig wants you to comment, hit or miss in the comment section down below. So why don't you go and do that? I didn't know how to do that one, but now I do. Whoa. Just made me die. She said yeet. Oh, sorry, she says. Guys, comment down below, hit or miss if you want a shout out. She died. He, by the way, I'm a boy. I keep calling him, she. Your sister's messing with my head. Clap. Your sister's messing with my head, Ninja Pig. She said, oh. He said, oh. I hope she doesn't do ninja moves on me. Chillax, chillax. Whoa. Ninja Pig, chillax. Oh, there's such thing as stuff on stairs. Ew. Guys, we'll probably have to. We're gonna have to end this video soon. Well, let's go. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! She said it's blah 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 rust, but oh my gosh. How did I just die? I stepped on the thing. Oh well, let's go. What? Only certain on. Okay. Oof. Ninja Pig, I'm sorry. You'll have to catch up. I have to get to the end of this before the time runs out. So I'm sorry, Ninja Pig, if I don't stop for you. I have to finish this. I'm sorry, Ninja Pig. But I have to go on. I have to finish the obby for the video. For the fans. So Ninja Pig, comment down below if you're okay with that. On the spit. Yes, on the spit. Whoa. Oh my gosh, there's more. We'll get through the obby as much as we can. I'm not sure that we will though. I just died. Oh, doesn't actually tell you. Oof, 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 oof. Oh. Oh, we got the ninja skills on. Hold up. Ninja Pig fell. Okay. Guys, I don't think we are going to do a part 2 actually, guys. Because we have to leave do the whole thing over again and then leave again. So that will be kind of hard to do. So no part 2 for this video. But it'll still be good as it is. So sorry, Ninja Pig. I'm pretty sure you didn't want to do part 2. Wait, I'm going back! What the? Ninja Pig, I just went back. Do it for the fans. I mean, I can't do part 2. I'm sorry. Looks like we have to. Okay. Oh. Whoa! Guys, I think we're about to end the video. I just stepped on the red thing and didn't even do it. Whoa. Hold up 1 sec. She fell again. I hate! Hurry, hurry, Ninja Pig. I have to do it for the views. It's almost over. I got it. The time is almost over. Just try and hurry. Oh. She said I'm cringing. How long is that? Oh, Ninja Pig. Ow! What? Okay. Let's go. We're almost to the end. The timer just gone off. Okay, guys. I don't know how close we are to the end, but I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. If you want to see a part 2, maybe sometime in the future, comment down below. If this video gets 50 likes, maybe I'll do a part 2. But I hope you smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Shout out to Ninja Pig.